In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. It has to be from Google developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit continue. Use gray switcher next to allow access to manage all files and go back. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner. Select clean over here and tap on clean under junk files. Then confirm your choice by choosing clear in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!